If a machine stops, MADDOX recognizes the disruption automatically and shows all error messages of this machine on a tablet computer. Since MADDOX analyzes machinery data by using machine learning algorithms, it can propose suitable knowledge cards for each situation. This support enables an operator to resolve the machine disruption efficiently and sustainably. Furthermore, the operator can rate whether he or she found the suggested knowledge card helpful and augment or correct this knowledge card. By functioning as a virtual colleague, MADDOX supports the operators in everyday production. The conveyance of knowledge is supported with photos and videos. With the integrated photo editor, you can easily edit and highlight important areas of your photos. MADDOX also supports the search for potential causes of quality fluctuations of films, folding cartons, inserts, and the like.
Thanks to the clear interface, the user is focused on the essentials. After just a few clicks, he can make informed decisions to get the machine up and running again. The operator, who has an overview of the entire system, is informed by notifications about new knowledge cards and additions to existing entries. He can view all knowledge cards, to comment and verify them. MADDOX makes production not only more efficient, but also more human.